Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am actually making something different today. I'm gonna make spicy ramen noodle soup. But this noodle soup is actually made from the leftover fish curry from yesterday evening. So, the fish curry is absolutely fresh, but it's just we have so many of them left and nobody wants to eat it today. So what I want to do is that I want to show people you don't need to throw the curry or any soup that you have from yesterday, because people are suffering in this world for food. There's so many people that don't even have food, and food is a blessing. Since we have it, we should utilize it and reuse it and not throw it away. So I have the fish curry here. So I had some of the fish left. So what I'm doing is I'm just picking out the fish and leave it in a bowl. If somebody wants to eat it, they can eat it. But I'm only gonna use the curry. So just fish soup. That's all I would need only for the stock base. So I don't need the fish, and not all the kids like to eat the fish like that. So I have the fish that I'm keeping aside for somebody else maybe, and I will be using the fish soup, the fish stock that I have from yesterday. So here I'm just gonna add some spinach. I had frozen spinach. If I had fresh spinach, I would have used that. If you have the fresh one, use that. That's even better. I normally use the fresh one. I'm gonna add fish stock to it, or chicken stock if you can. I didn't have the chicken stock, I had the fish stock, so I'm using that. I am adding up vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So আপনারা 1 tablespoon দিবেন. The reason is কালকের টেস্টটা যেন না থাকে, এটা একটু অন্যরকম টেস্ট হয়ে যাবে. But yes, it's gonna have a kick. It's gonna have a little bit of the fish sauce smell, but it's gonna be better with all this. So I have 2 types of noodles. I have this rice noodle, the thin one, and I have the regular noodle that we all have at home. I'll be making with this one because not everybody or not every day I have the other rice noodle. So I'm just warming up some water, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this it's like a বাটিতে ঢালবো. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it in a bowl, and I'm just gonna put the hot water, just গরম পানি দিয়ে ঢেকে রাখবো. Okay, I'm not gonna cook it because there is no point for it to cook, because it's gonna be like that, because while I'm doing this I'm gonna go check on the soup. So you can just wait. I'm gonna have a lid on, but if you want you can microwave it for 2 minutes or 1 minute, but there is no need because the water is so hot. যেহেতু পানিটা অনেক গরম, আপনার প্রয়োজন নাই, but if you want আপনি 1 মিনিট আসলে মাইক্রোওভেনে গরম করতে পারেন. So I'm adding the noodles spice that they give normally in their packet. So I'm just adding that up, and I'm gonna leave it to be soaked. It's gonna be soaked and moist. So গরম পানিতে ঢেকে রাখলে কিন্তু নরমালি এটা কুকের মতোই হয়ে যায়, কুক হয়ে যায়, because it's so hot. But you have to put the lid on if you don't wanna set it on the oven or warm it up. This is how I do it. So I'm just leaving it to rest. So my soup is actually ready because it was from yesterday, and the spinach was actually cooked. So that's all I needed to wait for. So it just takes only 1 minute to boil it up properly. And see, the spinach is a green leaf. I don't want to overcook it because we want to preserve and have all the nutrition that are from yesterday. So on the fish curry that I had, it was with tomato and a little bit of potato and celery. So your fish curry or your chicken curry can be anything, it doesn't matter. All you need to do is add up some vinegar, add some spinach or any other greeny leaf. That's it. So I'm adding the noodles that was been soaking. So you see, it's fully cooked. It looks fine. You don't need to cook it on the stove. So I'm adding that up. With that, I will add some salad, and I have the salad already chopped. So this is a fresh salad that I'm gonna add. I have salami that I have cut in slices. You can also purchase sliced salami. So what you need to do is just put it in a bowl. So it's gonna be a bowl power pack. It's full of nutrition. It has fish and chicken. So in the beginning you saw me that I was frying some chicken cubes or chicken popcorn. If you have some sort of chicken, you can add that up, anything. If you don't want to add it, that's fine, but something's crunchy goes with the soup, goes really, really well. So that's the reason I actually do it. But if you don't have it, hey, you know, you can just leave it, it's fine, you don't need it. So I'm adding a egg that is poached. If you have boiled egg, you can cut it and, you know, put it. You can add anything that you like. I'm adding chili sauce. That's the must one that you should have. This is a chili sauce that I made. I have the recipe. You gonna see it linked below. So if you can't find the link, go check it on my channel, you will find it. This is the ultimate to-go chili sauce that you can use for any dish. It's absolutely yummy. So I'm adding the bread crouton that I made. You saw it already. So, you know, something crunchy, as I said, goes really well. It's adding up the chicken popcorn. Remember, this chili sauce is already used for so many other dishes that I have used. So you must check it out and you must make it, because it's only made out of ketchup, chili powder and vinegar. But do check the process out and have it to on the go, because this is the ultimate that I use. So we have it. Here's the dish. It's completely ready. I'm just garnishing with some chili, depending on how strong you can eat. But as I said, this should be a spicy ramen soup noodles, so it should be spicy. It's gonna taste really, really good. And utilize your food, don't throw it away. You can always, you know, add something to change up the taste from yesterday, as I have showed you. It's really, really easy. বিলিভ মি, এটা অনেক সহজ। আমরা অনেক সময় মাছের তরকারি খেয়ে থাকি যে মাছ শেষ হয়ে যায়, ঝোলটা থেকে যায়, সো ওইটা না ফালাই দিয়ে, ওকে, আপনি যদি এরকম স্যুপ নুডলস বানান বা বাচ্চাদেরকে দেন, দে উইল লাভ ইট। অ্যান্ড ইউনো, বাচ্চারা অনেক সময় লাইক, অনেক সময় না, বেশিরভাগ সময় দেখা যায় মাছ খেতে পছন্দ করে না। সো ওদের মাছটা না খেলেও, ইফ ইউ জাস্ট টেক আউট দ্য ফিশ, ইউনো, স্টিল ওই ফিশের সব জুসটা কিন্তু এই স্যুপের মধ্যে চলে যায়, ঝোলে চলে যায়। So you can give it to them. They don't even need to know. So please do serve it with a lemon. It tastes really better. And yep, here it is. I really want to show you guys that it's so easy to make a different food from something that we have had yesterday. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. You guys inspire me so much every day. I do this for you. So do let me know if you want to share a comment or anything. And if you're still new to the channel, please do subscribe and also click on the like button and do share it with friends and family. Stay healthy and happy. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.